On your marks. Get set. Go. Welcome back to our channel. We're on our way now to Somerset Falls in Portland. That's the plan for today. These guys have been in the car being a bit rowdy today, so I'm not sure if they're really ready to go back to another waterfall.
Hi.
Really?
Ready.
Okay, we're gonna hit the road. We heard about Buff Bay, but we've never been to Buff Bay.
I haven't heard about it.
Well, I have.
I haven't.
I heard about it in a lot of
How
songs.
did you hear about it?
You think me and you are the same song?
Yeah, we are. I'm really tall.
We've got Maria Sensible. So we're on our way to Somerset. That's how long away? 20 minutes? 10 minutes?
One that just got eaten and
What's 10
really
minutes?
got gained.
Driving.
Whatever that was.
Driving thing is tiring, man. Just really go around the bends is like, it's like a workout. So yeah, this is our first time in Portland, children. We've never been to Portland before.
It's a different place. What is that? I thought Portland was a different country.
Really?
Yeah.
Why would it be a different country? Yes, we're here entering the waterfall. Now coming to the shade. Come to your seaport channel. Go on, Shy. Okay, so we're gonna attempt to take the trek upstairs. I'm not looking forward to it because you can't do this stairs thing yet. You find them a raptor. You keep over that side. Did you keep walking over like you want? Go over the edge. Keep over that side. Don't walk in my path because I can't. I ain't got a good balance. Hold my hand if you want to.
I don't like stairs. Awfully neither.
Alright. So we're gonna board this boat. This will take us to the entrance of the waterfalls. Where is he? Leave her, leave her. I've got her. So this will take us to the entrance of the waterfall. Have a sight of nature. It's beautiful.
I want to go. I've been in a boat and holding stuff like my man, not holding. Then ride.
Yeah. So all ready to go in. Enjoy the place. Also concentrating. Big one. Let's go on the back thing.
Everyone.
And then,
to do that with everyone.
well, water, I must find a place of water catching there. the bit where we get in.
Alright, just sit down here and keep right in the middle over here. Right in the middle.
Okay, Laura's no script family. That was no script. Remember to like, comment, subscribe.
Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Hit the
Hey, no, don't rock.
Hey, what's your head?
Puto. Somerset Falls. Right to the boat, y'all. That was nice. That was nice. You like it? You didn't get out. Yeah, look up there. Where the waterfall is coming from. A headband. Okay. Yeah. Oh, we're up now. Okay, so. That's cute. You didn't like it? You didn't like it? Yeah, look at my eyes. Oh, my eyes are all sore.
Look how they can out.
Yeah.
Your eyebrows look pink.
Pink?
Yeah.
It's still pink? Is it my makeup? Was mixed up or something? Okay, I'm gonna swim in the pool. You can go swim. Now we're wet up. We're gonna go swim in a little pool bit.
Yeah. Yeah. The water is a greenish colour.
Chicken out, man.
Oh, she didn't come out. He didn't come out. I thought you would come out. I didn't realize because I couldn't see nothing in my eyes.
Mommy, they go back. They go back.
It's okay. It's waterproof. It's fine.
But the GoPro is waterproof.
Well, I wouldn't take it in there if it wasn't. We're gonna go take it in and block it.
I thought you were just trying to make sure that it didn't get wet.
Yeah.
Never knew.
So we are back ready. At this point, I have no patience. Picture, but it's not showing me the picture. I can't actually see what I'm taking. Teacher.
You can go all the way up the final. You know what I'm saying? Go all the way up.
We go up there and come back.
You went all the way up.
Float.
No, not the boat, on the boat.
On the boat.
The boat ride.
You thought you flew up there. Jakar and Javon go have a race so we can see a race again. For the battery day. Out for the countdown. All the best. Bye. Are you two gonna race? So the flowers no script. Okay. So the first challenge for the flowers no script
Is the boy.
is Javon and Kai are gonna be having a race. Somerset Falls bathing pool. On your marks. Where are you racing to? There to them?
Where?
Are you? That's you. You're it's you.
Me?
Yeah, you.
I don't think.
You're beating Miss Liz.
That's Orion.
Are you? Ready? And the boys are gonna have a race in the pool at Somerset Falls. And let's see who's gonna win. On your marks. Get set.
Go.
Go! I mean, I used to get wet to the process. There I'm back. There I'm back. We come back, do we now? And back.
Back.
Go, 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 go. They're not gonna win. They call it. They a draw. Come on, he's gonna win. He's gonna win. Go on, go on, go on, Sky. You're gonna win. You're gonna win. Go on, go on, go on, go on. Hey, it's a Kai one. That one there. So the Kai wins the Flowers No Script Award
I would
for the fastest Somerset Falls swimmer.
I'm not faster. I can't even swim.
Me can't even step on the water floor bottom. Telling me.
I can't reach.
I can't even go on the floor bottom. My foot's too sensitive. I can't even walk on the normal ground, let alone in the water. And Daisha's now gonna race the winner.
No.
She's gonna have a race with the Kai.
I can't even reach it.
So remember to like,
Share and subscribe.
and hit that notification bell. Right, so we're gonna get out now. We're gonna go and get everybody back on that road. It'll take about an hour and a half to 2 hours because the sat-nav light. The sat-nav say 1 hour 18 and 2 hours it take us to get here. So yeah, we're gonna hit on the road. You enjoyed yourself?
Yeah.
What do you enjoy about it?
Everything.
What's everything? Elaborate. 10 hours later.
Come on, you saw the waterfall and stuff like that, man. It was great, right?
Yeah.
It was fabulous.
Yeah.
It was wonderful.
Is the guy you enjoyed it?
Yeah.
What you like best? The waterfall or the swimming in this pool here?
I like the boat ride.
You like the boat ride, see? I like the boat ride as well. I do like this pool here. It's so refreshing. And I did also like the waterfall too, so. But I don't know, different from Duns River. Because we haven't been Duns River since we've been back out here. I do like Duns River because you're going to sit and jam. You're going to sit in there and chill in the sun, and it's right on the sun is getting you as well as the cold water. So maybe one day, we could go back to Duns River.
2 years ago. 2 years in.
We didn't go last time we come to Jamaica. We ain't been there since you lot were like a little bit. I think, remember when we went with your brother and sister? That was the last time you went. Wasn't it? Do you guys remember? Do you not remember? Last time you went Duns River?
2019.
So you're the oldest, that's why I'm focusing on you. You don't remember when you went with Zanny and his girlfriend and Devisha?
Yeah, I remember. I remember.
You was little. You was a baby.
Huh?
Right, we're gonna get on the road now because it's gonna be dark before we get home. And I don't like to drive in the darkness. Right, guys. Hello, dearie. Can I have some, please? Hello. What's your name? What's your name? You don't speak? You don't speak? You do? So what's your name then? Hello, what's your name? Hello, what's your name? You're not going to tell me your name? I'm talking to you.
You're scary.
You come in closer, look. Hello. This is before then, pretty. Come on in, let's go. I'll try to get my tit out, alright? Chicken. Somerset Falls, going home. Yes, on the highway. Are you asking me? Yeah, you should clip it off. And you should ask me.
What was your day, guys? Which day?
Today was a nice day. Anybody can speak up. Who enjoyed themselves today?
Me! Yeah. No, me.
Who didn't enjoy themselves?
Me!
You didn't enjoy yourself? Oh! I thought you enjoyed it. Well, actually, no, you didn't like the waterfall. You were scared to go off the and then you didn't like the cold water. So you're right, you didn't enjoy yourself. You're not going to see it.
You like the bunnies then?
You like the bunnies. What else do you like? You like the deer?
Reindeer! Yeah. I want a baby
Yeah?
a baby one.
You want a baby rabbit?
Yeah, I want a rabbit. And then with
Oh.
I'm shaping up for every pack.
Are you doing my speed? I ain't speeding in Jamaica. Every minute the police want to stop me. Like when that officer come and stop me earlier, I'm like, I wasn't even speeding. Like, man will like wind down the windows.
Right.
I'm like, man, I haven't got no weapons. I haven't got no hidden people. He must be shocked to see a car full of little picnic them. He was expecting to see a bag of man or something in the car. Right on the window. Oh, you can go. What kind of mango? You give me. Next one. The one next 100. Yeah, 100. No, not change. Okay. So, my whole reason for coming to Jamaica was to get Guinness. Yeah, that's the whole reason I bought the whole thing. I'm joking. Anyway, my pride and joy
Get it.
Get it!
Get it?
Everybody happy? We got get it! The whole of Jamaica don't have no guinea. This is the first we've seen them in the whole month we've been here because obviously they're not in season. So now we know we can get these. We know that they're in season and I'm happy.
No. I don't like that.